Okay, hello guys. You are welcome to today's uh video on how to scalp gold. Today being the 27th of April 2023. Now, the price of gold on the daily time frame is currently bullish. All right, and our focus is to look at how we can take 10 pips, 20 pips, 5 pips from gold at this very moment. So on the daily time frame, we have the trend to be bullish. Drill down to 4-hour time frame. It's ranging, but let's take a quick look at what's happening around here. We have wicks forming, okay, like a rejection showing the buying force on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is one of the weeks showing that the buyer stepped in to push price up. This is another one. This is another one. This is another one. Okay, so and we can see what just happened here on the 4-hour time frame, like a sharp turn. Okay, we have this bearish candle right here showing that the sellers, the bears, are trying to push price downward. Many bearish buyers, traders will have stepped in here to try to push price so that price can break or at least test the lowest part of the screen, which is around 1969. But you can see the sharp turn that happened, not like a swing that happened around here on the 4-hour time frame. With this swing, buyers will attempt to push price to this top. All right, so that's the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I'm going to remove this this. Okay, then we are going to try and look at what's happening on the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see the lows. Okay, this is a low point on the 1-hour time frame. This is another low point. This is another one, and this is a fresh low on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so if you look at what's happening here, the lows are ascending. Higher low, higher is a low, is a higher low, is a higher low, this higher low. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this particular low, and this particular low is higher than this low. So that shows that buyers are stepping in. Buyers stepped in here, stepped in around here to push price up. Okay, the buyers also stepped in here, and the fresh most recent step in of the buyers is around here. So this shows that the channel, this particular channel, is still in play. Okay, the channel in play, and price is, like ranging upwards. Okay, we have a high point around here, and then we have another high point around here. So the one around there is 2012 area, while this is 2008 area. So price will attempt to climb to this particular point. So if you want to scalp gold, just look for buying opportunities. As of yesterday, was selling opportunities that was advised, but for today, buying opportunities. Let's see if price will get to this particular area. this particular area. Okay, well, as soon as it gets here, we expect price to drop, or price should drop around here. Okay, but this forex price can just go straight up, and then gold will start to print higher highs and higher highs. Depends on the news, depends on the market sentiment. Now that's that for the 1 hour time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame is an elaborate part of the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the ascending channel is more obvious. Okay, and we have a sharp, you can see this sharp drop. Okay, and then you can see price trying to build up gradually. The pace at which the build up is happening around here is much slower than the sharp drop. The rate at which we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 candles, a sharp drop, more like an impulse. But look at, count the number of candles that it took the buyers to climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So like 19 candles for this drop to try to retrace or reverse. Okay, so the sellers are stepping in with a greater force, but the buyers are trying to cover up. Okay, gradually. You can, if you look at the most recent candles on the 30-minute time frame, you have these 3 candles, all right, on the 30 minutes time frame. If you look at the 3 candles, they are quite bigger than the rest at the bottom. So it shows that more buyers are stepping in and trying to push price back up. Okay, so we expect price of gold to continue to go up. So if you want to scalp gold, try and buy, do not sell for now. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, let's look at what's happening on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the price is the buyers are still active. More green candles are on this stretch. You can see more green candles on this stretch. Okay, more green candles. All right, so let's see what happens on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, the 5 minutes time frame shows that price is, forming price is forming higher high, like this, one of the higher highs. Okay, this is a higher high. This high point is higher than this high point. Okay, this high, there's a high here, and it's higher than this. Of course, this is higher than this. Of course, we have another high around here. Okay, this is higher than this, and this is the highest on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's look at the lows. Okay, we have higher low. This low is higher than this low here. It's higher than this low. Okay, and another higher low around here. This is a higher low. This low is higher than this low. This is another low here, and it's much higher. This particular low is higher than this low, and you can see this very sharp low around here, higher than this low. Okay, now price is trying to form another low. Paraventure will find a low somewhere around here. Then price will try to go up. Okay, as we approach the London open session open. Okay, so so it's trending up on the 5 minutes time frame. So we'll try and look for how you can buy. Go long. If you're going to go short, your support should be somewhere around here, this particular trend line. But we have another trend line somewhere around here. Okay, so this place, this particular point could be your support. If price is going to backtrack to touch this trend line, if this trend line, this particular trend line fails, there's another trend line around here. Okay, so that's that on the 5 minutes time frame. Look for buying opportunities. For now, anything can happen. Price can just start to break. Price can start to break the supports and start to drop, like a sharp drop. If there's a news, a sharp drop can bring price back to this point, this particular point. If there's a news that gives the sellers or the bears impetus, okay, to bring a sharp drop, okay, and can possibly clear all the stops, okay, all the stop losses, because as buyers are buying, they are placing stop loss to, or they are trailing their entry with stop loss. Let's look at the stop loss areas on the 5 minutes time frame for buyers. Looking at the stop loss areas where buyers are placing their stop losses. Okay, this is a stop loss area. We have buyers, people that are scalping will have put some stop loss around here. Okay, these another stop loss area. Okay, other block on the 5 minutes time frame. This is another stop loss area. This is another stop loss area. Okay, where buyers will be placing their stop loss. This is another stop loss area. Okay, how do I know the stop loss area? These are areas where we have the other blocks where the buyers stepped in. Okay, now if you look at this bearish candle, it's smaller than this bullish candle. This particular bullish candle, let me shift the chart to that. This particular bullish candle is longer than this bearish candle, so this bearish candle will form your order block or your stop loss area. So if price drops below the bearish and the bullish candle, you can place your stop loss just a little bit below the low of the bullish candle. So that way buyers place their stop losses around there. Similar to this, we have a small bearish candle before the bigger bearish candle. The bigger bearish candle shows that the buyer stepped in. So this particular bearish candle or this particular bearish candle are your other block candles. Okay, and placing your stop loss below the low of the last bullish candle will be more convenient. Okay, so your stop loss, your trade entry could be somewhere here. Okay, if you expect price to come this low, then your stop loss will be below the candle. Okay, so if you expect price to come here and find some level of buying force, okay, you could place your buy limit here, and when price picks your buy limit, it can go back up, but your stop loss will be below this particular candle right here. Okay, so similar situation if you expect the buying force to the sellers to push price to this area, you can place your buy limits around here. Stop loss should be somewhere around here. So if price drops to this point, okay, you can place your buy limit at that point, at this particular point. And if price drops further, it's going to clear your stop loss, which should be somewhere around here for this particular order block. Okay, But if it does not get to your stop loss, of course it will pick it and then continue up, and that way you make some profit when buying. Okay, so that's that for the 5 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see a fake out. Okay, you can see a fake out. Looking at the trend line, it's the trend line. Then a fake out, price went higher and then dropped. Okay, the buyers tried to come in again, and the sellers pushed it. Like the sellers, showed some level of force around here with this particular week. Okay, the buyers are still in control, but a break below this low may target a break below this low. Price might drop to this point. Okay, and if price drop to this point, expect price to pick up. If it fails to pick up, it will drop further to this point and then drop further. But for now, look for buying opportunities. Some traders will rather buy when we have a breakout above the high here. Okay, when we have a break of structure above the high around here. Okay, while some traders place buy limits somewhere around here, some traders place buy limits somewhere around here. So that's that for today's video. Price, we have the buyers, they are very active for now. Okay, so price is still going up. Wish you all the best for today's trades. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button so that you get to see more videos when we roll it out. Also smash the like button if you like what you just saw. Also drop comments below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to you. You can also smash the bell button below the video for notification when we release another video. Okay, we have our website www.pinfxtrader.com. Another website of ours, fxfables.com. You can visit this website to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.